Here I have iPhone Air and let me show you how to turn off FaceTime on the following device. Let's begin. So first of all, let's open the settings. This is the icon of settings. Then scroll down and choose here apps. From apps, let's choose FaceTime. Scroll down again, as you can see, the default switcher here is enabled, so you just have enabled FaceTime, but you can tap here and now you just disable FaceTime, so people cannot contact you on your device with FaceTime using your phone number or email address, so you have to be aware of this. In my case, let me keep it disabled. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.